Welcome to my Dataroam eSIM review. Check out the product links below. Dataroam is perfect for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and anyone needing reliable mobile data abroad. This digital SIM downloads instantly to compatible smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, simplifying network switching. Dataroam prioritizes hassle-free, affordable data plans for both short-term and long-term travelers. Their global coverage spans over 130 countries with regional and global plan options. Choose daily, weekly, or monthly data packages to suit your trip. This flexibility ensures you only pay for what you need. There are no contracts, offering data freedom without commitments. Setup is quick and easy. Purchase a plan, receive a QR code via email, scan it, and activate the eSIM. Your device is connected within minutes. The Dataroam app lets you manage data usage, top up, and switch plans. Its clean interface simplifies monitoring data consumption. In my experience, Dataroam performed dependably, especially in urban areas. Browsing, streaming, and navigation were seamless. Rural speeds were sometimes slower but remained stable for essential tasks. Dataroam partners with local carriers for solid network coverage. Customer support is available via website and email for prompt assistance. In conclusion, Dataroam eSIM is a solid choice for travelers seeking a simple, cost-effective way to stay connected internationally. Its extensive coverage, user-friendly setup, and consistent performance offer a convenient solution, eliminating physical SIM cards and expensive roaming charges. If you need reliable mobile data abroad, Dataroam eSIM is worth considering.